7 years ago, we started this program na akala namin we will just be here starting out conservation program na gusto namin ma-maintain ang paggamit ng mga pawikan ng area na to despite the development that has happened here and the houses that will be developed here. And we also envision that the vecinos or the residences will be the ones that will eventually be the stewards of this pawikan.
Today, as we celebrate the International Day of Biodiversity through the groundbreaking of the Seafront Residences Pawikan Hatchery, we take a significant step towards realizing our collective dream. This will not only serve as a sanctuary for our pawikans, but also as a symbol of hope and a testament to our commitment to environmental conservation.
Kahit na marami kaming training before, hindi enough yung natutunan namin. Kasi may mga experience kami ina-adapt last year and then ina-adapt namin next year. Almost 33 kilometers coastal area namin, ilan lang po ang walang nesting site. And luckily for us, the most rare and the most beautiful, nakapag-hatch na po kami. Yung knowledge namin, yung training namin nakukuha sa dito, sa Palubog Circuit, nai-replicate namin sa iba. Kung saan nagkakaroon ng harmonious cooperation to protect the marine biodiversity.
I just want to point out what our scientists mentioned. It is very paramount for the Aboitiz Group to do science-based approaches in the program execution. In fact, last May 7, the Aboitiz Group President and CEO signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Department of Energy and DNR to actually help protect the Verde Island Passage.
We can change things together when we work together. With our combined efforts, we can guarantee the continued survival of the pawikan and all other species for many years to come. We will build the pawikan hatchery, and this will remind us of our shared responsibility and our collective power to create a sustainable future. Hindi na actually siya trabaho, Dok, no? So, ang sarap magtrabaho na hindi ka nagtatrabaho. No, yung puso mo nandun sa conservation.
Mga pawikan, sila ay isa tumutulong sa pagpapanatili ng balanse ng ating karagatan.
Lahat ng makukuha nilang itlog na itatransfer sa hatchery ng Philippine Coast Guard, kapag ito'y napisa, automatic po itong nagdala ng itlog, binibigyan namin ng bags of grocery at saka 5 kilos na bigas. And even yung mga bata, Kuya, kung kami makakakuha ng itlog, bigas din ba't grocery bibigay niyo sa amin? Pwede po bang McDo na lang?
So, ang pag-develop po ng isang hatchery ay isang malaking ambisyon sapagkat ito po ay hindi biro na maintenance. Ang hatchery po kasi naglalagay tayo ng ililipat natin yung itlog na initlogan ng in situ ng mga pawikan, nanay na pawikan na pupunta sa beach kasi nga ginagamit na natin ito. Hindi, para ma-assure natin na mas maganda yung chances na mabuhay sila, ililipat natin sila sa hatchery.
For as long as we all find ourselves being led to these shores, we will not be the only ones who will call Seafront our home. Now with our very own Pawikan Hatchery, our promise of becoming a full-fledged Pawikan Sanctuary has come to fruition.